When it comes to surveying instruments and their accessories, finding a reliable and reputable dealer is essential. In the Chattarpur area of Delhi, there are several dealers who specialize in providing high-quality survey instrument accessories. These dealers offer a wide range of products, including tripods, measuring tapes, leveling rods, prisms, and more. One such dealer is Scon Design, a well-known name in the industry. Scon Design is a leading supplier of survey instrument accessories in Chattarpur. With years of experience and a strong reputation, they have become a trusted source for professionals in the field. They offer a comprehensive range of products that cater to various surveying needs. Whether you are looking for basic accessories or advanced equipment, Scon Design has it all. One of the reasons why Scon Design is preferred by many surveying professionals is their commitment to quality. They understand that accuracy and precision are crucial in surveying work, and therefore, they only offer accessories from reputed brands known for their reliability. This ensures that their customers can rely on the products they purchase from Scon Design to deliver accurate and consistent results. In addition to providing high-quality products, Scon Design also offers excellent customer service. Their team of knowledgeable professionals is always ready to assist customers with their queries and help them find the right accessories for their specific requirements. They take pride in their ability to understand the unique needs of each customer and provide personalized solutions. Another advantage of choosing Scon Design as your survey instrument accessory dealer in Chattarpur is their competitive pricing. They strive to offer products at competitive rates without compromising on quality. This makes them a cost-effective option for professionals who want to invest in reliable accessories without breaking the bank. When it comes to surveying instruments and their accessories, finding reliable dealers in the Chattarpur area can be crucial for professionals in the field. These dealers play an essential role in providing high-quality equipment and accessories that are essential for conducting accurate surveys. One such dealer in Chattarpur is Scon Design, a well-known name in the industry. Scon Design is a trusted provider of survey instrument accessories, offering a wide range of products to meet the needs of professionals in Delhi and beyond. Survey instrument accessory dealers in Chattarpur, like Scon Design, understand the importance of providing top-notch equipment to their customers. They offer a diverse selection of surveying accessories, including tripods, prisms, poles, and other essential tools. These accessories are designed to enhance the performance of surveying instruments, ensuring accurate measurements and reliable results. Scon Design takes pride in sourcing its products from reputable manufacturers, guaranteeing the highest quality and durability. One of the key advantages of choosing Scon Design as your survey instrument accessory dealer is their extensive knowledge and expertise in the field. The team at Scon Design consists of experienced professionals who have a deep understanding of surveying instruments and their accessories. They are well equipped to provide guidance and support to customers, helping them make informed decisions about their purchases. Whether you are a seasoned surveyor or just starting out in the field,